behind you, eight elections. Mayor, congressman, mahirap naman na maghanap ka pa at this age. Maghanap ka pa ng disappointment. You know, I said, I will be old. But can I overcome the stress of defeat? Yeah, you want to retire comfortable, mind and kung makatikim ka ng talo, mahirap yan. Sabihin lang na tao na, ito, si ano, corrupt, itong ano, ganon. Ay tabi so niya, bakit mo akong gawin excuse? The bottom of the matter nila, kanila yun. But do not make me an excuse just because they are not qualified by your standards. I am really very sorry, but I have to be very frank. I cannot go on with this false pretense na papatindig ako dato so that people will see me and maybe consider me as. I really do not need it. I'm sorry. Ayaw ko talaga. Kasi sinabi na pag nilagay destiny is God. O ngayon kung nilagay ako ni God dyan, sabi ko unang iiyak, si God talaga. Sinabi ko sa iyo, God, give that destiny to others who need it, who badly needs it.
So we have time for one last question. You have the microphone. Go ahead. Please state your name, sir.
Hi, Marco De Pablo from Jones Amazon. Good afternoon, Mayor. You have continued to dispel rumors of your possible presidential bid. There's a saying that goes, the only way for evil to prevail is for good men to do nothing. If after the outcome of the 2016 election, and the elected president fails to succeed in uplifting our country, would you have any regrets in not pursuing the presidency?
No, I would not. I would just say, I'm very sorry. But I could not be excuse of, you just look at the national scene. They're all here. And you can have, your time to examine them, their competence. Huwag na lang ako. Pati, madugo rin yan. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, hindi ako uupo dyan. Nasabi ko, after 6 years, I did my best, but my best was not good enough. I would not waste 6 years. Kung ako maging presidente, after 6 years, there will be a new government and there will be at least the standard. Sipain mo talaga lang dyan. Ang delikado kasi sa akin, I might go extreme. If I cannot get the reforms 6 months to 1 year, I will declare a revolutionary. Tapos yun, all in government are casuals. You hold it, hang on there until you are advised to go. Tapusin na natin, I'll have the last piece. You know, I am Rodrigo Duterte. I am a Filipino. I love the Philippines because it is the land of my birth. It is the home of my people. Tapos na ako, ginawa ko na ang kahit kaungan ko sa Davao. But there was a price for that. It does not, peace and prosperity does not come easy. May bayad yan. At huwag muna ninyo akong tanongin unless you want me to go to prison. And if you want, you get the evidence from sources, not from my mouth. That would be bad. I mean, I'm no disciplinarian, pero huwag mong gawin ang susunod mo. Hindi kita pa malusutin ng gano'n, especially criminals. Total, sabi ko na, leave the city. Because if you don't, maybe one day, you'll just have to go. Might be a horizontal position for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for the things that I have said. I hope you'd understand it. Ganon talaga ako. I ask for your forgiveness. Maraming salamat.
Please give Mayor a big round of applause.